This video will show you how to enable side mirror view on Rearview mirror. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Swipe down, tap side mirror adjustment, and go to Start Trimming Rearview mirror. Switch this button, and now you can see the visual from Rearview mirror. And now you can see the visual from side mirrors on the Rearview mirror. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.